Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Funart. Today let us see question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 cm. Note, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. It is given as 22 cm. We will take pi as 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. We can cancel 22. Taking 2 by 7 to the opposite side, we get r as 7 by 2. It can also be written as 3.5 centimeters. Now, area of quadrant. For a quadrant, theta is 90 degrees. Because quadrant of a circle is when the circle is divided into 4 equal halves. So, we will get the theta of a quadrant as 90 degree. So, area of quadrant can be written as 90 by 360 into pi r square. That is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Cancelling out 1, 7, 2 for 11. We will get 77 by 8 centimeters square. Further simplifying, we get 8 nines are 72, 5 taking a decimal point, 8 6 are 48, 2 0, 8 2s are 16, 4 0, and finally we will receive the answer as 9.62 centimeter square. Therefore, area of quadrant is 9.62 centimeter square. Thank you. Happy learning.